Yan, record lang tayo mga kababayan. Nandito na rin sa Boss Ramil. Sama natin si Sir Model.
Ito pong kapakaman ang Maynila. Palakpakan po natin ang pagbabalik. Ngayon may Isko Moreno po ng Boso.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to our co-workers in the city government. Magandang araw sa inyo. Mamaya po, pagkayari nito, kung pwede, pinakikisuyo ko lang, bumalik kayo agad sa inyong kanya-kanyang opisina. Alam po, excited kayo ngayong araw na ito, but this is the day wherein we're going to face a very dangerous situation with regard to health situation of the city. So we must do our job. Let's just be this day as normal working days for each and every one of us. Umaasa sa atin ang taong bayan. To our friends in the media who are here today, and to the bloggers who are going back and help the city to communicate to our people. Muli po, magandang araw sa inyo. As you all know, I assumed office and went to this building at exactly 12:01 as required by law. And about 2:10, same hour, I received officially the letter communicated to the city government of Manila, wherein the two new contractors of our garbage hauling in the city terminated their operation starting today. Bagamat hindi kaila sa inyo at sa mga taga Maynila, nailathala sa mga TV news channel, online news channel, at mga periodiko that for the past so many weeks, we've been receiving a lot of complaints and requests from the people of Manila to confront the garbage situation of the city. Minabuti ko pong manahimik muna, kolektahin muna yung mga reklamo ng taong bayan, dala ng wala pa naman po kung kapasidad to act on the matter. But despite of continuous effort of our journalists, online and television, print, mga media natin, to call the attention of the past administration para sila nagsalita sa tengang kawali. Magkaganon man, sensya na po kayo. Kanina pa po kami may sound system dito, bigla lang nawala. Sensya na po. Sabi sa'yo. Even in our broadcast facility to communicate to our people was really bad state. That is an understatement. But anyway, let's go now to the very important, itong mga petty actuation ng nakaraan. Wala yan. Ang mabigat na problema ngayon ay basura. Talagang nai-reply. But again, going back, with the situation few weeks ago in the past days, plus today, talagang sasabog ang Maynila. Sa baho, sa eyesore, at higit sa lahat, panganib na dulot ng basura sa kalusugan ng ating mamamayan. So now, I opted to declare and request the City Council tomorrow, first session day, to declare the state of emergency, health emergency, of the entire city of Manila. That's one. Two, buong kababaang loob ako nakiusap sa Lionel Waste Management to utilize all the resources existing or available to be dedicated in the entire city of Manila. At salamat naman at positibo itong tutugunin ng Lionel for free. For free. And tomorrow, we'll deal with the City Council about it with all other necessary legal means to acquire the services to immediately confront the problems in the coming days. But for now, we will confront it today by 2 p.m. onwards hanggang madaling araw, hanggang gabi, hindi titigil ang syudad ng Maynila. It's going to be hard. It's not that simple. But I need everyone's cooperation. Kanina medyo mahina yung audio, uulitin ko ngayon. Bukod sa pinakiusapan ko ang Lionel Waste Management na kunin ang basura ng walang gastos sa Maynila, inatasan ko na ang Departamento ng City Engineering, DPS, NDRRMO, na lahat ng human resources available, equipment available, logistical capacity of the city of Manila to be utilized today, tonight, tomorrow, and so on and so forth. The same manner, inuna lang po natin muna ang mga taga-lungsod ng Manila to address it to the people of Manila. But now, let me ask with all humility the resources of the national government through Metro Manila Development Authority to help us ease the pain and suffering of the people of Manila with regard to garbage problem. Bago kayo magtanong, I will state some facts. Kung nga pala, maya-maya, para lang for purposes of transparency, yung ating mga online media, television, diarista, periodiko, bibigyan namin kayo ng CP ng sulat, official sulat ng Metro Waste at Electric. Bibigyan namin kayo. Pero, ang tanong, bakit nag-pull out? Kung maalala po ninyo, at marami naman napanood ko sa inyo sa mga interview ninyo, tinanong nyo yung nakaraang administrasyon, bakit umalis ang Lionel sa Maynila? At ang sabi noon ng Lionel ay may pagkakautang o dapat bayaran ng syudad worth 561 million pesos. Yun ay itinanggi. Hindi raw yun bayarin. Ang exact word, payables lang daw. Let's call speed. Pero, Oktubre pa lamang, nag-abiso na ang Lionel. At tinapos nila ang kontrata at alam to ng mga driver ng Lionel, ng truck, at ang mamamayan ng lungsod, bagamat hindi sila bayad, tinapos nila ng December 31 ang kanilang koleksyon ng basura. Basic. For some reason, I don't know, or maybe politics at the expense of our people, pinalitan nila, nakakuha naman sila in the likes of Metro Waste and Pileco. But the same problem because of financial mismanagement. From 561 million, today as we speak, 950 million na ang bayarin sa basura. Katulad ng naisaad ng isa sa kontraktor ng basura, January lang sila binayaran. So if we have 561 million previous obligation, i-minus natin sa 950, almost 400 million na hindi rin binayaran ang Metro Waste at Pileco. Now, can we blame Pileco and Metro Waste? I don't think so. No businessman, for that matter, can continue to bleed and render service for the sake of our people without getting paid. That's absurd. Kalokohan yun. Kaya ngayon, nakunti naman. Kaya ngayon, sakripisyo ang taong bayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. Now therefore, just to assure each and every one of you, alam ko, ano nyo to concern nyo to. We will act on the matter. But for the meantime, barangay officials are hereby directed na sinupin nila at ayusin nila yung mga basura sa kanya-kanyang barangay. Darating ang siyudad ng Maynila simula ngayong alas 2 ng hapon. Di pa ako nanangalian ng basura na kinain ko. But, you know, I'm up for the challenge. Despite of all these things, may awa ang Diyos, makakaraos tayo. Okay? So I think I said my piece. Now, if there is any more further inquiries, I'm happy to answer each and every one. Yes, please. Not relevant. Hello. Makisuyo lamang po sa mga tao sa Bulwagan. Alam ko, 3 taon kayong hindi nakapasok dito. Alam ko po. Alam ko ito'y Bulwagan at mararamdaman niyo muli na kayo ay welcome dito. Pero for purposes sa ating mga media, meron silang gustong i-clarify para marinig ng lahat ng malinaw. Pwede po ba tayo tumahimik lang dyan sa likod? Saglit lang po ito para naman po ito sa kapakanan ng impormasyon ng ating mamamayan. Please.
Hi, Sir. Mads po from Net25. First of all, welcome back.
Thank you.
Sir, ang laki ng mga pera na dito kanina na putang sa basura.
Bayarin.
Ayan,
Basura.
Sir, sa basura pa lang yan. Ang tanong, sir, may pondo pa ba? Pangbayan.
I hope all of you are free today. Tomorrow, we will state the city's situation. Everything. Ayoko lang pangunahan yung kabayo, pero ilalahad ko sa inyo ang tunay na pananalapi, sitwasyong pananalapi ng ating minamahal na lungsod. Pero sisiguraduhin ko sa inyo, kailangan nyo mag-seatbelt kapag kayo'y nanonood sa session bukas. You have to brace yourself. Tomorrow, hindi tayo magkukubli sa tao. At in the same manner, as you can see, wala akong biniblame dito. Wala akong tinutulong nila. I-state ko lang yung past. But we will control this. Tomorrow. But yes, 950 million as per the city record is concerned. From 561, kumuha ng bago, nagsinungaling hindi raw totoong hindi sila binabayaran, o yung kinuha bago, hindi rin nabayaran. So kayo na po ang maging husga.
Sir, yung sa...
Yes, sige pa,
Sir,
please.
yung ano yung naging agreement natin, sir?
Today?
Yes.
O, sabi ko, tirahin niyo muna, pwede ba makisuyo? Kasi, nakakawa. Hygiene, sakit. Talagang alam mo yung salitang, alam mo yung nagpapakawa ka as a father of the city on behalf of your people. That is the situation between the conversation, me and you. And I literally beg if they can do it for free. For all time's sake, matagal naman na sila naglingkod sa Maynila. Nakapaghanap buhay din kasi sila. And they agree. Now, binigyan ko lang sila ng elbow room to utilize everything simultaneously in line also with our resources as a city, and yung MMDA nakikiusap din ako na sabay-sabay kalawitin lahat ng basuran ko. Lahat ng obstruction na garbage from the Eskinita and so on and so forth. But it will not happen in an hour, tapos na, in 2 hours no. Ito naman ang assurance ko sa taong bayan. Kahit gabi na, kahit madaling araw na, we will not stop. Kasi if we stop, we are now talking of 2,000 plus metric tons of garbage every day. Use your imagination. If we stop collecting, it will accumulate by tomorrow. It's going to be about 5,000 metric tons available garbage in the city. If we are not going to do it again, and so on, it will accumulate and compound. So that's why, ngayon, kalawitin muna lahat ng nandiyan dyan. Tomorrow, whatever legal means that I can acquire before the city council for immediate, para maiwasan yung imminent danger to the health of our people, I will acquire it before the city council. Tomorrow then. Yes. Yes, sir.
Hello.
I just need you. Yes, sir. Ladies first.
Good morning, Mayor. May timeline po ba kung hanggang kailan sila pwedeng malinis yung Maynila, yung mga basura? May timeline po ba niya ganyan?
Alam mo, gusto ko nga isang oras lang. Pero it's terrible. It's everywhere. In the Eskinita, sa kanto, sa avenida, sa boulevard, sa highway. It's everywhere. Ito masakit. In fact, kausap ko rin si Engineer kanina, yung nagbaha last week, o yung basura natin, nasa imbornal lahat. So that's another challenge. So it's going to be challenging in the coming days. Now, with regard to timeline, the least thing that I can assure you and our people, we will not stop until it's clean. That is a guarantee. No matter hindi na kami matulog, makolekta lang. Para bukas, yung fresh garbage, medyo magaan na at medyo may semblance of governance na. May gobyerno na ulit sa lungsod natin.
Mayor, in regards naman po sa pag-iikot na dito sa City Hall, may napansin po ba kayo?
Hindi pa ako
Mga
umiikot
offices.
eh.
Sa mga offices.
Hindi pa ako umiikot. Kasi nga, at 12 mo pumasok ako, may natanggap ako problema, I have to address and confront it immediately. Because it concerns the health ang kalusugan ng mamamayan. Importanteng alam ng taong bayan muna. Madali ko naman yan napuntahan ng mga offices na yan. Yung mic nga nawala eh. Lanus yung office. Pero wala yun. Petty yun eh. Mga petty actuation yun. Sanay na ako sa ganun. Basta importante mo ngayon, taong bayan muna ang Ang importante niyo yung tao muna. Makakapag-opisina naman ako kahit walang lamesa. Yes,
Sir, Mark Salazar po sa GMA7. Sir, the message is clear na you want to be proactive about the problem, walang turuan. But of course, there are those na asking for accountability. Kung halimbawa merong almost ₱1 billion na kailangan yung solusyonan, meron din ba kayong pursuit for some people to held accountable?
we will dedicate our time, 2% of it, going after to those who are liable, administratively and criminally. 90% of our time, we will dedicate it to the people of Manila by serving them and giving them efficient government. So there is accountability. But that's the least of our problem for the meantime. Because we are in a terrible state. And I don't like that. Kawawa naman ang tao. But yes, there is.
Can you describe yung 2% kung how it's going to be? Anong itsura ang gagawin po for to look to sa
Firm.
accountability?
And we'll throw the books to them.
Thank you.
Donald Jonathan.
Mon Gualdes po sa TV5.
Sir, sa yung tapsilugan mo.
Meron po sa
Puntahan
Sampalo
niyo
po
yung
yun.
tapsilugan ito. Titira ako doon. Ano nga bang pangalan?
Oh, come on.
Oh, come on. Baka naman. Kasi magugutom yung mga utaw ko mga yan. Siyempre, lahat ng mga nagdinegosyo, balik kayo sa Maynila.
Thank you, Mayor. Ano lang po, clarification lang. Yung Lionel will
Deliver service today.
deliver service today for free. For
free.
one day.
I hope I can prolong, but you know, it's very expensive to operate or deliver such operation. But for now, for all time's sake, I guarantee, not a single peso. Kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, pare, wala niya, 561 lang yung sa'yo. Eh ito, ilang buwan lang, another 400 million na naman. Baka wala naman akong may bayad. Pero, sabi ko, kawawa naman yung tao. Kawawa naman yung tao bayan. And with their good heart and nag-agree naman sila. Pero hindi pa pirami sa akin yung bukas. That's another story.
But
But
since-
for the meantime, we got release.
Since January, yung payables po nila, hindi po talaga nabawasan pa rin.
Hindi pa rin. Kasi itong data na to, nasa city treasurer na to.
Last question na po, Mayor.
Yes, please.
Sir, kumusta na po yung transition ninyo?
Hindi ko alam kung nagkaroon ng transition kasi report kanina ng DILG, maraming, hindi, initial report ng DILG, maraming hindi pinasang dokumento. Saka sa tagal ko na rito sa gobyerno ng Maynila, ako nakakita ng transition ng 2 beses na nag-meeting. Isang meeting, tapos wala na, tapos nagbigay na ng dokumento. You know, I have to give it to Mayor Lee Coachesa, and Mayor Erap Estrada. There is a very good transition. Walang ampalaya.
Sorry, pahabol na lang, sir. Are you open for reconciliation sa
I am
previous
open.
administration?
I am open to reconciliation, but my emotion and relationship to them is the least problem of the city. Saka ako nang problemahin yung sila ba ay magbubuti, hindi na ba sila magsisimangot, hindi na ba sila maiinis. Hindi, kasi that's emotion eh. That's personal. That's nothing to do with public service. Ngayon, tao muna. Problema muna ng syudad. Hindi yung mga kapritsyo lang namin o relasyon namin. Kasi yung tao umaasa. And they've been longing for the government, the city government of Manila to act on the matter since last month. But sabi ko nga sa'yo, nagtingang kawali ang lahat. But you know, that's water under the bridge. We move on with our lives. We don't point fingers. We confront the problem. We value the people who put us here. Yun muna. Yung emosyon ko, yung relasyon ko, baliwala yun. Walang kwento. Saka na yun. But I am willing. Hindi lang ako interesado ngayon dahil ang daming suliran. Mayor ako. Oo. Pat, hindi mo kasi.
Mayor, ito seryoso. sinabi mo, tinerminate yung serbisyo.
Hindi na nila kaya.
Hindi ibig sabihin, matagal na palang hindi na
babayaran.
At saka hindi na sila nagtatrabaho, kaya marami pa sila. Email na. Pwede ba sabihin natin gano'n?
Hindi ko alam eh. Kasi, I just want to state facts
Oh,
for the meantime. May basura sa kalsada,
nakita natin.
may hindi nabayaran. Hindi nabayaran noong 2024 ng luma, kumuha sila ng bago, ako rin sa kagustuhan nila, hindi rin nila binayaran. Ang tawag doon is tapa. When you acquire services and products at hindi mo binayaran, ang tawag yan is tapa, in line with your question.
So, Mayor, ito last na lang. Medyo naninibago ako ngayon sa Bulwagan.
Bakit? Ngayon pa lang nakapasok dito?
Oo,
Talaga?
Oo, diba?
Eh, ang tawag dito, bulwagang bayan.
Hanggang doon lang ako. Anyway, pero ano pakiramdam mo nakabalik ka dito? Oh, di feel now na eto na. Ito yung nangat mo.
Hindi sa totoo,
Paayusin ko to.
wala nang cheche por eche.
Pero-
With all honesty, my feelings and emotion is immaterial today because of this problem. Ito muna yung problema mo na ng taong bayan. Hindi ko na iniintindi, hindi pa nga ako nananangalian. Hindi totoo. Eh, kasi they wanted to stay up to 11:59. I gave them that. O, sabi ng batas, 12:01. Pasok ko doon, yung mga nakarampa naman, isang linggo pa lang, nagbibigay na ng, para may magandang transition. Kaya, huwag na natin intindihin yung pakiramdam ko, huwag na natin intindihin yung emotion ko, ang intindihin natin yung problema ng taong bayan. Yun lang muna. And as we progress, total, lagi naman kayong welcome sa bulwagan ng Maynila.
Sir, Janice question po sa
Pwede.
Sir, tanong ko lang po, paano po gagawin sabay po yung paghahakot ng basura, then paano po yung, sabi niyo nga, nasa drainage, hindi yung nasa drainage. So, paano po yun? Sino po gagawa ng engineering office po?
Meron kaming binadraft na executive order already. Yung massive clearing of drainage. Kasi ang duda namin, based on my personal, non-technical assessment. Basura, dinala ng baha, nawala ang baha, saan napunta basura? Malamang sa drainage. O yun yun. Ngayon, pinaririnis ako na sa engineering to visit. But in a matter of few hours, a day or less, we'll come up with an executive order about this drainage system in the city of Manila. You know, Manila is a very challenging city, geographically speaking, because we are surrounded by waters. Yan ang uniqueness ng Manila. So it's a very challenging task ahead of us. But for now, yung nasa ibabaw, para pag umulan mamaya, hindi na matangay ng basura, makulit agad. Bukas, magtatapon ulit ang tao, sana makuha ulit agad. Then, we confront those garbages, possibly, nasa drainage natin.
So, you're saying, sir, paano po yung mga basura na nasa loob ng bahay na dapat na ilabas? Bahay muna sa
Oh, very good question. Yun ang sinabi ko sa Facebook kanina. Yung mga basura ngayon, pipilitin ko makolekta. Role yun eh. Kaya pakiusap ko, kung kaya pa, i-delay ng tao yung basura sa loob ng bahay nila, o pwede ba ipagpabukas nila? So para lang, alam mo yung breathing room, magkaroon lang ng elbow room yung Maynila. But for whatever it is, minsan kasi, minsan mamaho ng bahay ko, mamaho na lang ang kalsada, hindi mo naman masisisi ang taong bayan. But I encourage as much as we can. Kung kaya pa, panatili.
Sir, last na lang po. Sir, gano'n po katindi yung problema talaga sa basura? Lahat po ba ng anim na display ito talaga natapakan na po?
Yes. All over the city. In the north, you can see it in Arte, in Wanluna, in Abad Santos, and Abinida. In the east, you can see it in Maceda, in North Cemetery, in Santa Mesa, in Bacoor. In the south, you can see it in Santa Ana, Pandacan, Osmeña, Vito Cruz. You can see it everywhere. From the peripherals and inner city. Sa looban ng mga eskinita at kanto. Nirereklamo na yan ng tao bayan. I mean, not only for me, people of Manila is really trying to send a message to the past, but ikilipit balikat eh. Kaya we are really, tapos walang connection niya. Todas na tayo. That I don't know. But today, siguradong walang kukulit. Just Doris. At your Lawrence.
Yun ang una. Sir Lawrence ng ako Radyo Pilipinas. Sir, alam ko malaking problema sa basura, but then for sure meron pang problema sa ibang departamento.
Marami pa.
Meron po ba tayong mga sisipaking opisyalis ngayon ng lungsod?
O hindi, may pinangako ako sa mga lolo't lola ko. Tatanggalin ko si Fox Pangan. Hindi, I make that commitment eh. Kasi tinatanong ko kung may tatanggalin. So far, mag-i-issue ako na pahinga muna siya kasi we're going to investigate about PhilHealth. We're going to investigate bakit walang gamot sa health center. We're going to investigate about that online na ginawa nila na nakahirap. Pinangako ko sa tao bayan, I'm not saying they're guilty. Nobody here accused them that they are guilty of such crime. But they're going to be investigated. And for the meantime, I'm not comfortable of him taking the lead of the entire Manila Health Department. 40 plus health centers, 6 hospitals, and going to be 7. And to the people of Paseco, I have committed to you, and if I may use this, I'm going to open it on December as promised. So yun ang sagot ko sa tanong.
Including sir yung career officials natin.
Protektado naman sila na civil service eh.
Sir, last na lang.
We will recognize the civil service rules. But for the meantime, pwede naman sila sa Gedli, bandang Wakali, bandang Naka, o minsan dyan na sila sa Kodli. Beta-beta muna sila. Hindi totoo. Pinangako ko yan sa mamamayan. Kasi katulad yung basura, pinangako ko yan. Lilinisin ko ulit ang Maynila. In fact, mas worse pa pala yung pinatnan ko. O ngayon, kaya we are acting on it. More than anything else. Then the peace and order situation. And of course, that thing.
Last na lang sir.
You sure? That's what you do.
Accounting office last time, baka may update tayo sir. Thank you.
Oo nga, narinig ko rin yan eh. No? Merong mataas na leader na at isang pulis, Robles yata pangalan nun, na pinasok yung accounting office ng alas 6 hanggang alas 10 ng gabi. Nabalita mo nga yan. But I will check on that matter. Kasi may nakita akong picture parang kamukha ng mayor eh. Don't want to conclude, put into any conclusion. But it seems kamukha. At saka yung isa Robles, kamukha rin ng Robles. Malalaman natin yun. We will see. We'll cross the bridge when we get there. Again and again, basura and peace and order is the immediate concern of our people. Yes.
Your Mayor, yung meron po ba tayo idea kung ilan ang truck ng Lionel na paghahapon?
As many as we can. But as you know, Lionel is not only rendering service in Manila. Lionel is rendering service most of Metro Manila. That's how big they are. At ang pakiusap ko talaga, Doris, inabuso ko na yung pakiusap. Bininsan ko rin lang naman eh. Sabi ko, lahat ng available na truck, bulldozer, tao, driver, panero, and so on and so forth, pwede ma-utilize today. So, sa ating mga media na dito, you can go around the city of Manila by 2 o'clock. Tingnan natin kung talagang kumilos na ang UNEL, ang DPS, Engineering, akong puli, MMDA, hi, baka naman, konting tulong lang. Kailangan namin, binibiro-biro ko yan, just trying to light the moment. Pero sa totoo, medyo kinakabahan ako at naawa na ako sa mga kababayan ko sa Lusa.
Last na
Sure.
Yung nasa t-shirt mo, jobs not finished.
Eh, binigay sa akin ko ng constituency, sinuot ko. Eh, gusto ko lang mapanood niya na yung binigay niya sa akin, sinusuot ko. Thank you. Bigyan niyo pa ako, susuot ko ulit. Nakita mo nga siya, bilis kilos. Kumuskas ka pa dyan. Well, tomorrow. But we're into it already. We are in that situation already. Yes, meron tayo last.
Okay,
Last na. Last na. Pipidya na ba kayo? Talaga sa come on. Baka naman. Hindi, papasyal ako doon para sa kay Hermato.
Kasi na-order naman na yun eh. Meron pa rin na Dolores mo sa road 10, Kapulong. Dispatch yung nakasakay ng isang nakasakay ng motor. Ano po direktiba niyo sa mga pulis?
Yung mga past video, I'm addressing this to past victims. Kung wala kayong nakamit na hustisya nung nakaraan, and we have pictures and videos of those suspects, manatag kayo, pinahanap ko na po sila. That's one. So we're now talking of the past incidents. Sa GMA, lumabas yung mga ganong video. No other television for that. So because of that video, we have faces of this suspect. General Guzman is already directed. And the newly formed, again, SMART, will be directed. So those are the things of the past. Moving forward, nananawagan ako sa lahat ng adik I may sound funny to you, not here, but to you. Magbago na kayo. To those supplying, distributing drugs in Manila, don't do it in Manila. May kalalagyan kayo. It's a fair warning. We are very serious about it. Okay? So that is our drug. So the petty crimes happening in the city, nangagaw ng cellphone ng estudyante, nang-hold up sa jeep, umaakyat sa jeep, nanunutok ng kapwa pobre. Umalis na kayo ng Maynila. Nag-abiso na ako last week, last month, and today, hindi na abiso. We'll make sure I will meet you here in the same table in a matter of few hours if you will not stop. We will present you. We will try to get you alive and present you to the court. Pero hindi rin kami mangingimi kapag kayo binalbon na sa dibdib at feeling yung macho na kayo. Kung nakaraang panahon, tinatawanan nyo lang ang Pulis Maynila, tinatawanan nyo lang ang gobyerno ng Maynila, huling halakak nyo na yan. With regard to your question, we are very serious about it. In fact, mararamdaman nyo naman yung gabi. So, pakisuyo lamang. Mahalin natin ang ating lungsod, pagmalasakitan natin ating lungsod. Sa mga napi, biktima. In our own little way, we will use all the resources of the government to keep our city clean, kaayaya, maliwalas, at panatag na pamumuhay. May awan Diyos. And I cannot do it alone. I need your help. But together, because together, we can make Manila greater. Thank you.
Sana all, mga artista niya, yan o, yan o, shout out. Shoutout tayo mga kababayan, nandito sa Sorlo Veloso. Yan, and family, you know. Ayun, ang mga kababayan natin, labas na tayo dahil may closed door meeting naman sila. So, mga co-vloggers natin, tara na sa clearing. Clearing naman na yun. Ha? Ang tindi ng live mo sis, oh. China all.
Lahat po ng ating kasamahan ng nasa ganito ang pagluwaga.
Swerte ang holding hands. Swerte ba ang holding hands?
Muli po nakikisunod po kami. Meron pa po kasi.
Hindi ka nakapasok ang doon. Hindi ka sumunod sa amin.
Sir, congratulations po. Hindi mo kilala yung mga konsyal natin, mukhang di ka nakikipagkamay ha.
Hindi kasi nanoon, stop ko na.
Channel rin sa tututukan mo lang lagi.
Dari sa Channel Reds, paano iniwan yung aling GoPro niya sa doon?
Kaya nga,